Here's how you can record the Google Meet session on your Android. Let's talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So, of course, you can start using your Google Meet and, of course, make sure everybody is informed about it and that everybody agrees that it's going to be recorded, right? And that's pretty obvious. But once you are inside of the meeting, what you have to do is just to swipe down to access the control center of your Android phone. And in there, you should be able to find a couple of toggles like the Wi-Fi or whatever. But upon swiping down one more time, you should be able to see the screen recorder. And when you click on it, it's going to ask you if you want to start it, so you confirm it, but it also asks about the audio and the sound, right? So you can make it muted, so no sound is going to be present. Probably you don't want that. So you can include both the media, which is like the inside sounds of the phone, and also the microphone. So you can also record what you speak yourself. So I guess that this third option is likely going to be the most relevant for you. So you can just start it like so. You can then connect to any video calls, whatever it might be. Just pay attention to the video or the screen recording controls in the corner. And then when you're done, you can stop it and the video will be saved in your gallery of the phone. So it all gets saved, it gets the job done. So yeah, it's going to work out well. Again, you'll be able to just like share it with other people. Perhaps you all want to like save the ideas or whatever is being talked about. So yeah, make sure everybody knows about it and then you'll be able to make it work. So that's it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked. Subscribe for more and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.